Hi, we're going to talk about an ephemeris. If you don't know what an ephemeris is, this video is for you. My name is Zervoudakis. I am your friendly professional astrologer, psychic medium who loves to teach you the craft. I wish I had that when I was growing up. So let's take a look at the ephemeris. I use the Ephemeris software program that displays like the old book that was this thick, Ephemeris. And this is how you look at the Ephemeris. So we could look at today and it will pull up on the side the dates. And today it's automatically highlighted to the 23rd of January. And this is Greenwich Standard Time. And then we have all the symbols for the planets. They usually go from closest to the sun or closest to Earth, all the way out to the outer planets and the asteroids. And I use the abstract Black Moon Lilith. So how do you read the ephemeris? Let's highlight this, and I'll see if I could take a closer look. And the date is the 23rd of January. The sun is in 2 degrees Aquarius, 46 minutes. The moon is in 19 degrees Pisces. The north node is in 9 degrees Pisces. So that means the south node is exactly opposite, which is 9 degrees Virgo. And this is one of the few days that it's not retrograde, which is rare. Then we have Mercury in 3 degrees Aquarius, Venus in 6 degrees Aquarius. That's quite a lineup, isn't it? Then we also have right next to the sun and Mercury and Venus, Mars is at 29 degrees Capricorn. So they're all very close to one another. That means that all these planetary energies are blending together and working together synergistically. Then we have Jupiter 18 degrees Cancer, retrograde, RX. Saturn is 27 degrees Pisces. Uranus, and this is the little symbol, is 27 degrees Taurus, and it's in retrograde. Neptune is in 29 degrees and 54 minutes and 12 seconds of Pisces. It's going to start a whole new 164-year cycle on the 28th, which it will go 0 degrees Aries, 0 minutes. This is big. Everybody's been talking about the Neptune in Aries, and it's going to be huge. But this is a time when you can make dreams come true and you can make them reality, because if you look and see where the planet of reality is, it's right behind, and it will catch up to that Saturn, Neptune. So this is where you can make your dreams a reality. That's a side note. So Aries means me. It's bold. They want to be first. So this is a whole brand new cycle. Then we have Pluto, 3 degrees Aquarius, but we also have Mars, Venus, Mercury, and the sun in Aquarius. And then right behind Capricorn, Mars will, and that will be, Mars will be in Aquarius, sorry, because we jumped ahead to see when Neptune is going to be in 0 degrees. So only a few days. That's going to be a big deal. And then we have Chiron, the planet or the asteroid of trauma and healing, 22 degrees Aries, Black Moon Lilith, 18 degrees Sagittarius. So I hope you learn now how to look at the ephemeris, but there's one more thing that you could get out of this ephemeris that you may not know. You also will get down here, you'll see the planet ingresses. That means when the planets, the sun especially, but the different planets move into a new sign. And that means they'll go into 0 degrees of a sign. So Mercury will go 0 degrees into Capricorn January 1st. And Venus will change signs, the sun will change signs, Mercury will change signs, it tells you the sign, Mars changes sign, and Neptune will change signs. So you'll see it all right there at a glance. And this is Eastern time, this is Greenwich Mean Time. You also will see the phases of the moon, which is very important. You want to know when there's a full moon and an eclipse and all that. Next month, we're going to have an eclipse. We'll talk about that next time. So be sure, if you like what you hear, to subscribe and share this video with your friends that want to learn a little bit about astrology or psychic medium development. I'm here for you so you could learn. So here are the moon phases. You got the full moon, which is like an open circle. Then you have the first quarter full moon and the last quarter. And it tells you the degrees and the signs that the moon is in. And then it will tell you the sun, where the sun is. Okay? And there's one more interesting thing that I thought you might want to see, and that's this planetary lineup and chart is to show you where the planets are, where their positions are, and it's always by degree, minute, and seconds. But for practical purposes, we use degrees. Now, when you talk about out of bounds planets, you look at the declination. And when you look at the declination, anything above or below 23 degrees is considered out of bounds. So you might want to see if a transit is out of bounds or if you were born with a planet out of bounds. And we'll talk more about that later in another video when I will explain to you what out of bounds is. Thank you, and keep those questions coming. I will provide the answers either from TikTok or on YouTube so you will better understand astrology. Till next time, all my love.